YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. We're going to see Goslotto 645 and let's make it official. New video, new strategy. If it's the first time, you may subscribe to the channel, like and share, and WhatsApp this number if you are ready to join my WhatsApp group. To join is 100 rand, which is a once off. It's a once off, just a once off, ne? Yes. 0619678 once off. Thank you. Yeah. You can only WhatsApp me when you are ready. For forex traders, don't don't stay behind. Let's make money as a forex traders as well. Yeah. Can WhatsApp that number and mention forex, then I will show you. You can hear me give you the full course of forex trading. The first strategy that I have is this one. You will add these numbers together or minus. So when you add is 18 or 6. So 6 is nearby number is 5 because 6 is already in the calculation where we took the numbers from. Alright? Where then this is 6 as well is a 3 because the 6 is a family of 6 which you do minus 3. Family of 6 you do minus 3, family of 3 you do plus 3. Each number has its own nearby number. Here again this is 6 and 3 because they are skipping a draw to play this number. So we have 18 and 6, right? That's where 18, 6 nearby number is a 3 or 5 and what? Then because 6 is in the calculation where we calculated it, then we have 18. You play that 18, the nearby number of 18 is 14 and 15, right? That way they play this 15. Then that is it. Let's go. You play the nearby number and that number as a spin as well. Let's go. Here when you do plus or minus is 24 or 42. You skip a draw, you play your number. Here's 42. Then when you do plus is 46. 46 is 43. You just play 34, 42, 43. Because the numbers, we have a 24 or 42. Then we have a 43. Right? Because we did do minus on 46 because the lotto is 6 out of 45, right? You don't go nearby to 45. You go the nearby to the nearby number of a family of 6. Family of 6 nearby number is it plus or minus 3? No, it's only minus 3. So now we have a 24, 42, and 43. These numbers will be in numerical order. The numerical order of 42 as well, you try is 44 and 41. You play those numbers like that. That's where these numbers came from. As I always tell you, the nearby number, when you find your numbers are numerical in the strategy, you play also the nearby numbers of them. They can pick one and go to the next one, which is supposed to be the next. Like yesterday, I played 15, 16, right? 19 somewhere, like I think on daily lotto. Then they brought, because my strategy was showing 15 is 16, they brought 14 and 15. So they went in the front. They went away in the front. So that's what they picked the 16 and they played the front one. Yes, that's how it is. All right. So for the next one, we have a 43 or 34, right? Then the nearby, then do minus, do minus is a 4. Then you do the nearby numbers of these numbers, right? I hope we understand each other, right? Sorry, from 34, nearby number is 33 and 35, right? And when nearby number of 4 is 3 and 5, right? Because the many number here is 34 and 4. That is also very important. So 34 and 4. If you can check here again, there's something. If you go nearby number of as adding 10, 44 is here. If you add 10 on 4, there is a 14 here and 41 as well, right? The nearby number of 34 is 33 and 35. 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are here, right? Then 33, 35, nearby numbers, right? Which didn't show up. I hope you understand this one. Look at here. We have 8. Nearby number is 7. Nearby number of 4. It's 8, sorry. 18 is sorry. Nearby number of 18 is 19 and 17. Then you pray that 18 as it is as well. Don't forget. Because 18 also nearby numbers is 14 and 15. That's where 15 came from. So when you do minus, we're having 4. Nearby, we're having what? 6. We're having 6. Nearby number of 6, because it's a family of 6, is 3. And 5 and 4. 5 is sitting there, so we remain with 4 and 3. That's where 3 is coming from, right? And this is 6. Nearby number as well is 16. Nearby number of 18 is 28, right? So 16 prayed here also as 19. So they can also add 10. So nearby number 46 is also 36 because you can still use a 46 as well as a 36 and the 33. So meaning our next draw we're praying 33, right? Since it's supposed to come here as well. Alright. So nearby number of this one is 36. We can pray that 36 as it is. Pray 36 as it is or 33 because it's a family of 6. And then we can do 35 and 37. Now we have a 36. Nearby number 35 and 37. Right? Then nearby number of 36 is a 46, which is very high. We can try 43 and 34 because the 43 is a skip between here, right? Then you do minus, it's 2. The nearby number of 2 is 12 and 1 and 3. 2 is always a 4 and 8. This number, they multiply each other to get each other. So they are always like that. So we have a 12, we have a 2, 12, 4, 8, 1, 3. So that is the strategy which is going to bring you 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Yes. All right. So that is the strategy that I discovered today. And the other one that I was teaching before, you do like this. You take this number You do plus or minus. So if you do plus or minus, we have a 72, which is 27. The nearby number of 27 is 17 and 37, right? And the 29. 27 is also 29. So that's where this 17 came from. And also you do minus. Minus is a 12 and the 22 and the 2. 2 is the 4 and the 8. Here is the 4 sitting there. So meaning when you have a more than study, you must know all the secrets so that it helps you to choose which number. All right, let's go. We have 9, 9 and 59. So 9 and 59. So there we have a 5 and the 9. Sorry, we have a 5 and the 9. 5 came. Then the nearby number is a 15 and the 19. So this 15, 19 is supposed to come to the next draw, especially 19. That's where they skip a draw. It meaning that when the number doesn't show up, you don't leave it. You play to the next draw. Look, 15 and 19 is sitting there. And remember our 27 is a 29, which they spin it to 26. You can see this rotated the raised numbers. Alright, so here we have a 44. When you add them together, it's 89. 89, the nearby number, it's 18, 19. Mostly because these number are lower than 100 as well, is the code. Then when you do minus, it's 1 or 10. So we have 18, 19, 1 or 10. The next door of 10 is 20. The next door of 1, it's 11 or 2. Then this one, 10 is 11 as well. So 8 is next door is 7 or 9, which we have a 9 already. And this one, 10. 10 or 20, so they multiply by 2 because 10 is 20, 20 is 40. I'm going to show you this. Also another thing I'm going to show you. All right, let's go. When you do minus, it's 12. 12, when you got to as a first number, you multiply by 2 is 24, which is a 42 when you spin. Separate that 12 or 21. Here is a 42. When you add, it's going to give us 64, which is a 46. 46 is a family of 6 is a 43. Then 46 as well. We can go with nearby number for the singles. We play 36 and 64 is a higher than 100. You add a 10 on each single. That's where 19 came from because 16 when you spin is 19. When you do minus, you are getting it 2. The nearby number of 2 is 12. And the 2 is 4 and the 8. Right? So then when you do plus is 86. 86, which is 16, 18. Here there is a skip 18. You play that 18. Right? Yes, it's also very necessary. So we're having 2, 4, 8, 18, 12, and these two can be 20. Then we have 18 and 16. We have also 34, 43. We have also yeah, I don't remember, but those are the numbers for this Goslotto. So there is another one I want to show you. You take this as a number plus or minus. So for example, not you use 10, 20, 30 in the same family numbers, 40 like this. So we're gonna use, if you do minus, meaning you already calculated your numbers, Then you want to see which number is going to come. You choose the family of 4 and the family of 5. So that's where 15 came from. You did minus 30, right? Because 35 is sitting there, 5 sitting there, we done 25 sitting there, then we're missing 15, right? Now, for example, we have 11, 41, 41. Where is it? 21. Remember in our calculation we had a 12, so this 12 can be 21. Because 12 again here. You look for cross by draw. Alright. So here we have 6, 26 minus something, that's it, and 38. So we suppose family of 8 is a family of 4, which is sitting there. That's where they make us sweater 42 and 44. Since they didn't use the exact number of the family in this two row, no, in this one row, they can use 32 or 22 or 12. Then they can use family of 4, which is 14 is sitting there, right? It's okay, we can still use 34. Yeah, as a family of 4. They also like to play the family of the last two number, right? They look at 42, they repeat it, right? A family 0 and the family of 2, they played for 32. You can check this pattern, it's working. Family of 9, family of 8, right? That is family of 2, family of 3. So the next row is depending, the first number should select will be only family of the last two numbers. That's what I mean. So thank you so much. Bye bye.